So regarding again, every iPad it is about internet tracking card. It is transferring data from a center to a sink. For consider a center and receiver, so you have then another. Then you have a part which you can send the paid house. So Princess calls me and where you use me. So you can use any telecommunication, mobile networks, and internet and computer networks. These are the major places there you will use. There are two types of switching: circuit switching and hatchet switching. So in circuit switching, you will be having a dedicated path. So only one receiver and a center can be connected in it. And when it comes to packet switching, then the data will be whether it go packets and it only sensitively this So in circuit switching, between a sender and a receiver, there is accurate path. So there it will be easy can't the data is transferred. For example, if you are in a telecommunication, like consider a sender, like a corner, and a receiver. Okay. Now, if I'm in a call and I'm not transfer any data. Okay. So until I hang up the call, path will be so. So in an happen to and there are three phases. First is setup, data transfer, and receiver. Setup is sending when the connection phase where a sender and receiver will be connected, and the data transfer phase is the when the data is transferred. And disconnection phase is at last the socket will be there and the resources and the current but available will be available. And the example above which is telephone network that telephone networks for use. Features. As I said, it will have a dedicated bandwidth and it is a fixed path. Only two users can use until the ball is hung up. And continuous data transmission. The data will be continuously transmitted. There will be more delays avoid. And there is no data loss. The data are transferred traffic, so not converting to cut, so there will be more loss. And there will be more delay and in addition for burst data is nothing but less internet. Internet is a burst data. Then you have at the time, like, and the budget that time, then if you unused to a sudden top in the latest one burst data. Like, you'll be getting some anonymous call in Juplim powers there. Let us follow the
I just main main constantly refine as a income is a small second. The fully looked second to point C small guidance and there is no dedicated mark. Each data is traveled each different balls you attain in the receiver side. Example internet. The internet can use a multiple number of users to access the usage. The features of brackets as a tell leader can even work system again is control line. So take the same destination on the receiver side. Suppose initial bracket user inputs like multiple users, so the guidance specific to shatter the small backends view like switching the cat go. Well, also equip our data communication assess in the actually choosing this pilot some trainers are missing losses during the language. Electronics loss efficiency now losing its packet fetching some reduce past by lose suppress or unlimited more mainly
so let's see Apache. The far they say something that you have a dedicated path in packet switching to the sharing hot. Second type either the venom type is required and packet switching venom is not required. The efficiency is low on circuit switching and in packet switching it is hurry. The delay is low after the sender. Here it is data. And the example is Canifer Hall and for packet switching the example is Minifest.
Yes, master. Congestion. Traditional lista, Levi Pulet Master, Lati Vesta. O dear brother, flattened in myself. And then Rosino, here because he was again, Anila. From it, regulation. I fix years of a super USA, kindness of UNESCO, and is the parliament.
Any doubts? What is Suchi? What is Suchi? Anyone? Transferring a data from sender to the data at any house or you have a specific thing. How it will be receive message from sender? We have some path through a dedicated path. They will be receiving the message from the sender to receiver. So what are the main types of switching? Another it will be highly. So what is circuit switching? Mainly circuit switching is used for what it is doing.
How like this?
How?